Welcome to 10th class physical science smart and digital online classes. Today's topic sign convention rules. I am RP sir. Sign convention rules for the parameters related to the mirror equation. Sign convention rules. Here this is a mirror and this point is pole. There are three rules in sign convention. First rule, all distances should be measured from the pole. All distances should be measured from the pole. For example, you are measuring the focal length. We have to measure from pole to focal point. This is focal length. For example, you are measuring radius of curvature. You have to measure radius of curvature from pole to center of curvature. This is radius of curvature R. Like this, all distances must and should measure from the pole only. All distances must and should be measured from the pole only. Second rule, the distances measured along incident light should be taken as positive. The distances measured along incident light should be taken as positive. The distances measured against incident light should be taken as negative. The distances measured against incident light should be taken as negative. For example, here we have an object. It is at 5 centimeters. It should be taken as positive. Why? Because we measure the distance along the incident light. We measure the distance along incident light, so it should be taken as positive. For example, here we have focal point. Suppose the focal length is 2 centimeters. Suppose the focal length is 2 centimeter. We should take minus. Why? Because we are measuring the focal length from pole to focal point, and we are measuring the focal length distance against the incident light, so it should be taken as negative. And third rule, height upwards should be taken as positive. Height downwards should be taken as negative. For example, we have object height 5 centimeters. It should be taken as positive because we measured this height upwards from the principal axis. Suppose this is an image and the height is 2 centimeters. We should be take this one negative because we measure the height downwards from the axis. So upwards heights should be taken as positive. Downward heights should be taken as negative. This is negative, wrong, negative.